So folks, welcome back to GME stock and what's going on with GME stock, and we will analyze this stock really closely. Right now the stock is trading at $31.68. Well, will the stock trade above $33? It's highly possible today, yes. If it breaks that $33, we might get to $38 super easily. But if it doesn't, it touches that resistance of $33 and comes back down to $22.58, but not in one single day. It might consolidate between these two levels, $33 and $22.58. These are the two levels the stock will try to consolidate for a few days or for a few 4 hours pace. So that can be possible. Another scenario, what I see is on a 4 hours chart, the stock has an uptrend pattern. So the stock is trying to climb, making a support on its uptrend pattern. So the stock might end up to $47 by the next week, Friday. It's highly possible. But if it doesn't, what's the matter? Of course, again, consolidation is the only thing which is trying to stop that squeeze right here. But again, folks, realize one thing here. Yesterday's volume was above 125 million shares bought on a long position, right? So, well, is this a position that was closed by the short sellers? Because when they have to close the positions, they have to buy back the shares. So, did they buy back the shares, or they were the normal pure other investors who bought on the long side, who pressed the buy button and bought the shares for GME in order to add in the positions or open new positions? So, well, this doesn't matter. But the purely this positions, what you see right here, 125 million shares bought yesterday, this was not the closing of the short positions, not the short sellers. They didn't close the position, because if they would have closed the position, the stock would have hit up to $47 easily. And the second scenario is the stock here, we see the half candle literally empty from up and down. So from up mainly, so that means the candle is not even full green. That means when the stock reached almost to $33, the short sellers, they added more short positions on the short side. They shorted more of the stock. But yet the bullish side on the stock is a little bit more stronger than the short side for now, since 1 or 2 days. So now the stock is trying to break back break above $33 and cross the $33. After it crosses, we will have the next level, which will be $37.83, which will be $33. It'll consolidate between these two levels right here. That'll be super packed. When it'll break those levels, of course, the next level we'll see is $47. But folks, for more updates, please subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you'll get an immediate update about GME, even other stocks, not just meme stocks, even other penny stocks, long term, all kind of stocks, even the good quality stocks. You will get the notification because you can take advantage from this knowledge. Try to apply and make yourself good. And also spread this video much as possible, folks, because folks, hit the like button first of all, spread the video much as possible, because I want other people to know not to sell their positions, not to get just freak out and just sell their positions, right? So coming back right to, again, don't get influenced. This is only for the educational purpose. This is only for the education purpose. If people have no knowledge, if you share, of course they might have some idea, but in the end they can take their own decisions. Well, coming back to the charts, daily chart, the stock is trying to consolidate between these two areas, but if it doesn't, it will break above $33 and go back to $38. Well, folks, will the stock really have that massive squeeze to $47 by Friday? Is it possible? I cannot say that, because it all depends on the short sellers to close their positions. Again, as I told you, short sellers, in order to close their position, you have to buy back the shares, right? Yes. Can the stock flush down back to $17.53? Well, folks, for now, it's not possible to flush down to that kind of level, because we already have a good support line of $22.58. That's the very strong support we got right here. So I added more 5,000 shares. As you see, I got 15,000 shares in GME with an average of $36. And let's see here, um, 15,000, 15,000. Oh, sorry. Hold on. 15,000 into $36. So $540,000 invested in GME, more than $500,000 invested in GME. So my unrealized loss is $68,000. Well, someone told me in the YouTube comment right there, oh, oh man, you got cooked, right? The GME flame is done. It's gonna get deflated. Everything is done on GME because these are the people who don't believe in their stuff, who don't believe in their, who don't have the right knowledge, and they just try to just speak whatever they want because they don't follow something what is right. They just follow what people speak about that, and they get influenced by something really wrong. If you want to know more, join the Discord. The link is down in the description. You can join the Discord. You can have all the access from day trade to swing trade to long term. You have all the updates every single day for the day trades, what stock trade, when to buy, when to sell, and take out your profit every single day. So coming back to this GME on a daily chart and on a 4-hour chart, you will see something really important. You see the volume right here. This 70 million shares bought, almost 40 million shares bought, and yesterday, which was first 4 hours, 20 million shares were sold. And after that, now we have a very thin volume, right? On a 4-hour chart, we got a very thin volume, and that's just because of the buyers are coming in this stock. Buyers are coming in and buy. If the stock just continues in a very slow consolidation pace, of course the stock will end up to $47 by probably next Friday. But folks, you gotta have patience, folks. You need to have patience. You cannot just predict your own time frame and have those massive short squeezes in the stock. The stock will take its own time, right? Let's go to hourly chart and see what's going on with hourly chart. You see here an hourly, we got a massive flush down, and now the stock is trying to break again this $32.22. So when the stock really breaks at $32.50 level, of course the next leg up will see to this $37 and almost $38 will see this kind of level. So folks, is it worth holding this stock? Well, you can hold this stock on your own risk, right? Am I holding the stock? Yes, I'm holding absolutely the stock. And of course, the stock will try to consolidate here. On hourly chart, we see here that we have a little red candle, this pre-market, and after market, of course, we'll try to track down the stock and see will it cross $33 or no. So going back to the daily chart, so $30.90 the stock is trading right now. So as the market will open, of course we will get the pump in the stocks, which will push the stock up, or else again we might end up in this two consolidation, $33 and $22.58. These are the two levels of consolidation where the stock can consolidate. If not, if it breaks, we have a tight consolidation right here, $38 and $33. This is the tightest consolidation what we'll have, but the stock is absolutely on an upward trend. So folks, stay tuned for more updates. Subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell so you can have entirely full exposure of this stock. First of all, turn on the notification bell and subscribe to the channel so you will have all update, folks. You will lose nothing by subscribing and by turning on the notification and by viewing the video. You will lose nothing. Instead, you will have some education, you will have some knowledge, and you will have some idea where the stock is really going. This is only from my side. This is my idea of education, and you can take your own decisions after that. And if you want to know more, you can join the Discord down at the link below and see in the details what I'm buying, what I'm selling in my entire portfolio, and my day trades, my swing trades, my long terms, and you can discuss anything what you want 24/7. So thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. with GME, and also I'll come back with another good stocks like blue chip stocks and other penny stocks. Thanks so much and see you soon.